Hello, today's video is about how to make French fries. Not from a processed bag, but from a potato. And what is the easiest way to do it and the simplest and most fun way. For today's French fries, we're going to take a few potatoes. You don't need too many. You can take them from your garden, or you can get some organic ones from the grocery store, or just a 5-pound bag of potatoes. Any size potato that you like. You can use these large potatoes, or you can use these smaller ones. You can even use red potatoes if you like. Who was it that introduced French fries to Americans? It was Thomas Jefferson. Yes, he introduced it to us. And did you know that 7% of the potatoes that are grown in America are used by McDonald's to make French fries? So I am about to cut the potatoes and to use spices. The spices that I like to use are extra virgin olive oil. I like to use organic, sea salt and pepper, and I like to use this spice. This is an excellent spice because it's got everything in it. So in order to cut these potatoes, I'm going to be cutting them in strips like this, going across lengthwise. My toaster oven to make this, not an air fryer, but you can put them in an air fryer if you prefer that. With 4th of July coming up, this is an excellent dish to serve with your grilled foods. I will be making a video about how to grill on your propane grill. How to turn it on, how to turn the propane on, how to light the burners, and how to make sausages on it. I'm going to be using chicken sausage that is smoked with an apple flavor. I also have a lot of recipes on my videos, on my YouTube videos, and my beautiful harp music. I play the harp. Some of them are very scenic with beautiful photos of Colorado Springs, Colorado, Pikes Peak. This is a good time to be able to examine the potatoes to see if there's anything on the potato that you don't like, that may be brown or slimy, or you just don't want to include that in your potatoes. One of my most popular videos is domestic ducks in winter and how I take care of them. And the harp ensemble that I was in, Canon and D. I think Canon D had about 300,000 views so far. Yeah, those videos are pretty popular. I also have recipes on how to make green smoothies. And how to cut an avocado. Many popular dishes are used with avocado. And I have a video on how to prepare an avocado for any dish that you would prefer, like if you were making baked potatoes and you wanted avocado on there, or if you just wanted to put avocado in a green smoothie. Green smoothies are very popular, everybody likes them, and a good alternative to put in your green smoothie instead of using spinach would be avocados. And I talk about in my video how to prepare it with using lime juice. So what do you do with all that leftover turkeys from Thanksgiving that you have? Well, there are many things that you can do with it. One of the things that I like to do with leftover turkey or with ground turkey is making turkey lasagna. I happen to have a video on how to make turkey lasagna on YouTube. And we're going to start with that, and it may get done quicker. We just have to keep an eye on it and watch it. While your French fries are cooking in your toaster oven or regular oven, you want to take the fries out, and then you want to move the fries around with the fork to help them to cook more evenly and so they do not burn on one side.